Good morning. This is red capsicums that you find everywhere in every supermarket. A quick, easy recipe you can do with red capsicum, roasted red peppers basically. The cutting method, a really efficient way that I learned from restaurant experience, is you cut the both ends off, slice down one side, get your knife in, work your way around in a circular motion, cut the white stuff off, and then you'll separate the seeds from the fruit. You can roast this however you want over fire, that would be more ideal, or you could broil it under the grill settings in your oven, or you could do it on your pan. The grill settings, I put it on max heat just so to emulate a fire. But yeah, you want it to be all nice and black on the skin so you can peel it off. But yeah, you can see how all wilted it is, just like after you decide to have your like sixth wank, it's all just floppy, just like that. Use the knife to scrape off all the burnt skin, put that in a jar, put whatever seasonings you want in there. I put some garlic, black peppercorns, salt. I think I put some coriander seeds in there and a bunch of olive oil. Make sure it's submerged. Mix that in, let that sit for a few days. And yeah, subscribe. For a little bit, I'll do some easy videos.